Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. To make a small successful garden like this, you need help of some little insects such as butterflies and honeybees that help us in pollination. And to attract these cute little insects, there is a need of yellow flowers in our garden. We have a lot of flowers, especially yellow flowers, and today I will help you grow these too. They are also known as Tecoma stands. Tecoma or yellow bells are a low maintenance plant, but there is some issue with these plants as well. But with some simple steps, you can grow Tecoma in your pot. Tecoma are tolerant of many soil conditions, but they do best in rich, slightly moist, well-draining soil. Next point is about light. Yellow bells thrive in full sun but can be grown in partially shaded areas. However, yellow bells grown in partial shade will not grow as tall or as lush as those that receive 6 hours of sunlight or more each day. Next point is about water. Yellow bells prefer dry to slightly moist soil conditions. As a desert plant, yellow bells are drought tolerant and can handle dry spells. Be sure not to overwater as this can lead to rot problems. Natural rainfall is often enough to keep this plant thriving. Make sure that after flowering, if there are any damaged leaves or stems, you must remove it. It helps your plant to become more healthy and bushy. And the most important point is about fertilizer. In most cases, these plants don't require additional fertilizer. However, if you notice the plant is slow to grow or bloom, add a well-balanced fertilizer. My mom prefers organic kitchen waste compost, that is a slow-releasing fertilizer. In this case, my mom is giving kitchen waste fertilizer. Now I will discuss some common problems with yellow bells. Now the first problem is lack of blooming. And the second one is when all the flowers and buds fall off the plant. What you should do is in the summer season, you should mulch it and shower it twice a day. But remember, as always, don't overwater your plant. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.